Okay. Is that your buka? What is it called?
Buka con.
Okay. Put it. Show Dad how it does. You open it and then it sticks to the fridge or metal. It sticks. Okay, let it go. Put it on again. You like that thing? You gotta open it all and then you stick it.
Look at its number.
Okay. Yeah.
Look it.
I see. Stick it on. Did you get a new haircut? Okay, that's your Buka-con?
Yep.
Okay. Very good. You got your haircut from the lady, and so did Junior. Junior's is nice. I'll go take a pictures of Junior's, okay? How did you like the ladies?
Good.
I know. You're handsome.